Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to talk about how to replace the battery power bank of earbud TWS M10 with lithium battery. Let's get started right away. And I have to show you when charging the battery, current goes into the device. And it turned out that after I inserted this connector into the device, there was no indication on the display when charging and the incoming voltage. And finally, I decided to open the cover of this device to see what damage has occurred inside. We need a kitchen knife belonging to the chef who worked in the kitchen. Pry while pulling upward, tracing around the device to be opened. You have to be careful not to hurt your hand by this knife. Looks like we are done opening it. There is visible battery, wire, board, feeder wire, and air plug housing. 18650, 2200 milliamperes hours, 3.7 volt. I have to show you the main part inside this device. The first thing I do to trim the red wire then the black wire. I should strip both ends of this wire. And I show you that I have measured the voltage of the old battery is 2.8 volts, while the new battery is the nominal voltage value is 3.9 volt DC. Preparation, I have to solder both ends of the disc cable. Add a little bit of lock paste on both surfaces of the battery terminal and then soldering. Put this battery into its housing. Now I am going to try to insert this charger connector into the device. Everything is going fine. Let's see, the battery percentage is showing the bar 88%. Since the job of replacing the battery on this device is almost complete, it is time to install the back cover. Thank you for watching. See you next time.